Okay, guys, welcome back to J Strategies, where we bring you the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Starting soon. Stick with us. Rock out. Yeah. Today is definitely an awesome day for Bitcoin. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter. And I'm going to drop some links in the chat for you guys. Alright, don't forget to follow us on Twitter. Okay, let's go ahead and jump right into the charts. Okay, guys, thank you for joining us today. Welcome back to J Strategies, where we bring you all of the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. Now, go ahead and jump on and follow us on Twitter. We dropped a bunch of different information, news, and stuff and charts today. Rocking out. We're going to talk about a few different things on the charts. Hey, a detailed guide on how to lose all your Bitcoin investment. Nah, jokes aside, you already know how to secure and protect your crypto investments. Now it's time to talk about how to lose them all. This is a really funny article. I used it as the thumbnail, and I just thought it was something that it's cool that we can jump into it, and we can do. So we'll talk about that today, and that's it. Guys, never brag about your Bitcoin. Never, tell anybody, hey, if you got it and you wish to lose it, flaunt it. Hey, want to get rid of that Rolex weighing down your wrist? Pair it with a t-shirt, flash it in a crowded bar, and then take a walk through a bad part of town. So yeah, never flaunt your Bitcoin or anything like that. Just give people all of the latest and greatest crypto news and much, much more. So we're going to hop into different charts, and we could talk about different articles and different things that are happening out in the news today, which is very interesting. Bitcoin beating its own coin stock by 20% since Coinbase IPO, which is really interesting. A lot of ETF funds and IPOs coming out there for Bitcoin, which is awesome. It's just another thing on the crypto adoption, which is crazy. Look at this Bitcoin rally. It's a sleeping bear. So basically, the bears really were battling with the charts. We're going to hop into the Bitcoin charts. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoy this content, and we'll bring you much, much more. Drop comments and go ahead and hit them retweets, smash them likes, and join us. Okay, so Bitcoin coming in at 41.8. Let me just go ahead and pull up the coin market cap numbers here so we can run down the overall cryptocurrency market cap. Is 1.8 trillion. 24-hour volume is 82 billion. Bitcoin dominance is 41.9. Ethereum dominance 18.7. Bitcoin coming in at 41.8, up 0.6%. Ethereum coming in 2.9k, up 0.7%. BNB at 402. We like that BNB holding strong at that 400. I got a few things I'm going to show you guys. I want to create some videos too about different passive income and stuff like that. So we will talk about that too. So we can do that. And then okay, so we have BNB 402. Ethereum, really nice, man. It's really had a nice run up compared to Bitcoin, and it's like slow but true trend. BNB also, definitely a big thing for somebody to watch and sit on the sidelines. Always just what you do is when you get these highs and these tops and you take your profits, you take it in USDT or BUSD, and you sit on the sidelines and you wait for good investment opportunities. Okay, so then we can jump right into the charts here and talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. Bitcoin on the 1 hour. You can see the 50 EMA was right here. And you can see how Bitcoin ended up pulling and touching and bouncing off the 50 EMA at the 40.5k level. We talked about that in yesterday's video. Go ahead and pull that up if you want to just get some reference to that. You can see the New York session right here is when the New York session opened up on the 18th. You can see how it pulled Bitcoin up and marked the price up to the yesterday high at 42.3k. Okay, so right now our daily open today we opened at the 41.7, which is right here, and I can actually see that the EMA is more moving towards price, which is actually really good. I would want to see a touch and a bounce of the EMA at 41.7, which would be a continuation of this little sideways trend that we have happening right here in Bitcoin. This 40.8K level right here is acting as support, because you can see that it's riding right through all these sessions, and it's been acting as support, resistance, and then it broke resistance right here when it broke above that green line that you see drawn on the chart. So this is the levels that we are keeping an eye on for Bitcoin on the 4 hour. You can see stochastic is starting to turn down, and it's coming to mid-level, and that's on the 1 hour chart. On the 4 hour chart, you can see that Bitcoin is doing you can see like we're trying to form in and out of these W patterns, and you can see the 50 EMA, there it is. The 50 EMA is crossing over the 200, which is actually really bullish, and you can see right as it crossed and we had that actual bounce off the 50 EMA on the 1 hour that we're talking about, which is the 2 hour, that cross is actually really bullish for us to have more bullish upward price action up into the M4 pivot zones at the 43.1K level. That would be an awesome target bullish for Bitcoin in the next day or two. We are in the symmetrical triangle on the daily. You can see halfway through the triangle at the control point at 40.8K. Stochastic is upwards. We might see like a little bit of a blow off top here, or and then come down. Hopefully we do. I don't want to see any real strong spikes where we pull right back down, because then the price will pull back down here to that 50 EMA on the daily at the 40.7, and and then pull down from there, and then the 40.8 will act as resistance, and then we can pull back down to see where the green line crosses right here with the blue, where I have it drawn on the chart at 36.3. There is our forecast on Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum has been having some really nice moves. The market cap 354 billion, so some good action on Ethereum, and you can see on the daily, Ethereum has been hitting this 50 EMA multiple times, actually 3 times, and now this 4th time it broke above it. We want to see it retest this 50 EMA and then bounce continuation to the upside, like we talked about before this last move happened, and we went down to a lower time frame to the 4 hour chart, and we saw that in last time when we wanted to make a move here. Hold on, let me just move this chart. We wanted to make a move here, so we can just go ahead and show you what's happening on the lower time frames here on Ethereum. Okay, today we're just going to talk about the top 3 ones that we rock out with, and I'll just shout out, we also hold some good XRP. Alright, so you see the 50 crossing right there? Oh man, that's some real good stuff right here. Some juicy action. Alright, so it's crossing right there. That's really bullish. You can see these are turned up. We might even be able to expect some more blow off action here up above that 3K. Yeah, 3.050. So $3,050, we can actually see a hit and a bullish target, because we're crossing these EMAs, and when you see those crosses on the EMA like that, when they cross up, they have big run-ups. You see when it crossed there, big run-up, crossed there, big run-up. All right, so this is definitely something that's bullish. Hopefully it doesn't come up and come right back down like it has previously, in those instances. Okay, so that's what we're looking at. Binance, BNB. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. I love bringing you guys all of the latest and greatest crypto news, man. Here at Trace for Radio, we talk about it all. We rock out, talk about news, talk about everything. I want to make more videos. You guys can look in my about section, and there's my email if you have any ideas and suggestions. If you want to hop on a meeting and run a video with me, and you want to be a co-star or host, or you want to just work as a team, or pushing out some videos, because we want to push out more videos, and then we want to go live Tuesday. We want to go live on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. early, and then Tuesday and Thursday on a later, like EST time, and we'll take it from there. Actually, UTC time, and we'll take it from there. So Binance BNB, yeah, man, that 358 level was a nice level for us. We're up at 401. We're above that M3 at $400. We talked about that. You can see right here that was a resistance level. Now we're breaking out of that resistance level. Okay, so we need to break out of this resistance level and then retest it and bounce continuation to the upside, and then we can go into a bullish trade. XRP, throw the X's up, guys. Look at this. XRP hitting that 200 EMA. It's well above the 50, hitting the 200 EMA. Coming for the M5 pivot zone at 81 cents. You can see the 50 EMA is turned up. We're away from the 800. We are seeing some, actually, no, it's the 800. My bad, sorry. So the 50 crossed the 200, and now we're heading towards the 800. That's going to be extremely bullish for XRP. The news, there's a couple different things out there. Bitcoin spikes to 41.7 and Ethereum reclaims almost the 33K level. Talk about sleeping bears. Price analysis, we just did all of that. So there's a bunch of different information out for you guys. You know, today is Saturday. It's the weekend, so we're rocking out. We're just going to be bringing you all of the stuff as it unfolds and as the updates come out here at J Strategies Trades for Radio.